Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today I'm doing my June BOXYCHARM. I am so excited about this BOXYCHARM. Oh my lord. I have been waiting. So as you guys probably know, I'm like obsessed with Kathleen Lights, and I saw that the Alamar palette thing was going to be in this, and I was like, yes, because I've been watching her do a whole bunch of tutorials with it, and I'm like, I need it in my life, I need it. So I'm so pumped. I already took a peek in here because I wanted to see what I had and what to put on and whatnot. So I have like face powder and eyebrows on, and then I'm going to do everything else because I wanted to test out some things. So let's start doing this. Okay, this month is the Caribbean Queen, and that's beautiful, and I'm such a beachy person that this is so like up my alley. So I'm not going to take you through all this right now, but that's a whole list of what I got, and let's start. So I want to start here because I'm not going to use this today because it's like, even if I use it, you couldn't really tell like what was good about it, you know what I mean? Yeah, so this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, infused with all-powerful guarana extract, maybe? I think that's how you say it. And this is like the travel size. It smells so good. It smells so good. I can't like put my finger on what smell that is, but it smells really, really good. It gives you Brazilian glow and helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. So that's the smell. That's why it's familiar. So this smells really good. This is amazing. I haven't used it yet. I'm really freaking excited to use it. So maybe I'll put down in the description box what I think about it after I use it. But I love how this smells, and I'm really excited to try it. So these are 3 Luxie brushes. Hold on. Let me get my little sheet here. So this is the 3-piece flawless oh my god, 3-piece flawless complexion set, and this retails for $42, which is pretty crazy. And I would just like to say that I love Luxie brushes. I have one from a previous BOXYCHARM, I think. I'm telling you what, that is my favorite. If you guys watch this channel, you know it's my favorite highlighting brush like ever. And I just got a second one because it's in this set, and I'm like, yes! So I'm gonna start, and I'm going to apply some products with these brushes to show you how they work. So I'm gonna take the Balm Springs The Balm blush, and I'm gonna take the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber brush, or Duo Fiber powder brush right here, and I'm going to apply some blush. I don't know why I feel like I need to make my face like this when I put blush on, but I do. Okay. I want to try and apply a little bit of blush with the 522 tapered highlighter brush, and I know that this is a highlighter brush, clearly, by the name, but I don't really care. I want to try and apply some. Now I'm going to try to apply a little bit of this with the 522 tapered highlighter brush. I just want to give it a go with that one too. So overall, I like these. I think I really like this brush. I don't know how I feel about this brush, to be honest with you. The Duo Fiber powder brush, I don't know. I think it's a good addition. Maybe I need to wash it before I use it the next time. I don't know. But now, to move on to highlight, I actually want to wait, but I'm going to save my favorite brush for that, which it's actually technically the Precision Foundation brush. I don't care. I'm going to use it for highlight just like I do every other day. So I'm going to move on and go into one of the most exciting parts of this entire box, which is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. Yes! Look at this. That is stunning. So I'm really excited. I have kind of a plan in mind, and I'm excited to do it. But before I get there, I would just like to say that everything so far has been cruelty-free, which I super appreciate. And this retails for $28. So that's not a bad deal because I think there's 8 shades in it. Yeah, that's not a bad deal at all. And if they're as good as everybody says that they are, I think that I'm going to love it. So yes, so I'm going to start off by pulling you closer, and I'm probably not going to talk during this. I might talk over it because I don't want this to be forever long. So yeah. Alright. So I'm first going to go in with a Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush, this big fluffy brush, and I'm taking the shade Cocoa Taxi into my crease. This is like a yellowy orange shade. It's really beautiful, and it's a good transition shade, which is why I picked it to kind of just put all over our crease and underneath of our eyes, just really blend it out. Then I went in with the Lottie London Precision brush into the shade Celia, which is like a vibrant turquoise kind of. It's very beautiful. It's like an aqua. That's a better term. I should have used aqua. It's a good aqua. I actually had stuff on the brush, which is why it ends up looking darker, but I'll go in later and make it a little bit brighter. But I just put this on like the inner third of our eye. Then I kept with the same brush and I went into the shade Varadero, maybe? That's how you say it. And it's a deeper version almost of Celia. It's like this beautiful, shimmery, like deep sea blue. It's so beautiful, as you can see on the eye. It just blends so easily. And again, I used these shimmers completely dry. So then I went back in with the same brush into the shade Celia and put that onto our inner portion of our lower lash line. And I will do the same thing with the Varadero shade and just put that on our outer edges of our lower lash line. Then I went in with Guaranteramera. Oh god, I totally butchered that, but it's a deep red shade. It's kind of a berry, and I wanted to kind of make the outer edges of this look kind of purple, which is why I chose to go in with this shade instead of Cafecito. And this is the Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm just really doing like circular motions and kind of making this a smoky cat eye on the outer edges of our eye. So as you can see, I'm taking it, really blending it into our outer V and underneath of our eyes. Then I went back in with the first brush and just blended out all the edges to make it seamless. And I went back into the Varadero shade with the Lottie London Precision brush. Just recovering up that shade to make it very vibrant. And again with Celia doing the same thing. Just really brightening up everything since we did a lot of blending. Then I go back in with the Elizabeth Mott blending brush with no additional product, but really to just blend everything in one more time. And back again with the first Morphe Beautiful in Bronze brush. Then I went into the shade El Malecon with a e.l.f. concealer brush, and this is such a beautiful silvery green shade. It's so pretty. Like, this might be my favorite shade in the entire palette. Actually, I think it is. Then I went in with the NYX Slide On Glide On gel eyeliner pencil in the shade Azure, which is a turquoise. And I went into the shade La Costa, which is a silverish pink, on the e.l.f. concealer brush and highlighted our brow bone. Then I went in with the Luxie 660 brush that we got in our new set. And I went into the shade La Costa and El Malecon and highlighted our cheekbones and our nose and our temples and our upper lip, etc. You know, the normal highlighting spots. And I love how these highlighted. Ugh, like it just was so beautiful. I loved how this look turned out. So this is the finished shadow look. And after one use, I know that I already love this. I don't need another use. And I love the highlight that it gave my face when I used both the La Costa and El Macion. those two shades at the top, and I love this. I want to play with it a whole bunch more. If you guys want more looks with it, let me know. Comment it down below and I will do that. Moving on from there, they have the Jaunty Blue eyeliner pencil in 912 charcoal, which is a black shade. Appreciated. I did some research. I can't find whether or not this is cruelty free. Oh no. Yeah, 100% vegan. So, perf. And this is a waterproof eyeliner pencil, and it retails for $5. So I'm going to just put like a little line on the top of my lid. I'm not going to do a whole lot because I don't really want a whole lot more, but I did want to use this. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, this is like really friggin' hard. Okay, I'm not going to do that because that hurts a lot and I don't like this. Sorry. I'm sorry. I don't like it. It's very hard. It hurts my little eyeballs. So that's a no-go. I'm now going to move on to the next step, which is this. So this is the Baddington lashes. And these are Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So that's amazing. They say that they retail for $28. They are 100% silk. They have impressive durability, allow up to 25 applications with proper care. So I'm trying to figure out whether or not silk is a cruelty-free product. I know that it's technically from like worms, but I don't know. You know what I mean? So these do have a black band, which is not necessarily my favorite type of lash, but we're gonna try it. So I'm going to stretch them around a little bit, and I'm going to just apply my normal lash glue, which is the Kiss lash adhesive with aloe, because it makes my eyes feel better than normal eyelash glue. Okay, so that was a struggle and a half, but they're on. Let me put on mascara, and I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. So here's what the eyes look like with the lashes on and mascara. I like it more with mascara. Do I think that they are like the best lashes ever, and do I think that I'm an expert at applying them? No. I'm struggling to handle these lashes. It is probably me and not the lashes, but it is something to keep in mind if you are slightly inexperienced. It's just not really like the type of lash that I wear all the time. I like to wear the ones with the clear bands and the ones that are more piecey, and these ones are much more voluminous and have a black band where you apply them, and I find that to be much more difficult to apply. That's just my opinion. You know, some people I'm sure will love these. I love how they look. I just don't love how they applied. So that's really my issue. Practice. I need to practice. So to finish off the look, I'm going in with the final product in the box, and it is this, and it is a Galactic lip paint in Blossom. So this retails for $23, and I can't really tell like what color this is, but I'm excited about it. I only have like the two. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a pinky red sort of berry. It's a berry. This is really pretty. It looks a lot brighter in the camera. So I will say that this feels not drying at all. I think that they have a really good formula. It's kind of watery, like you could probably tell when I applied it. It's kind of sheer when you originally apply it, and then it dries down immediately. So it's fully dry right now. Nothing came off. So I love actually the color a lot. I think that it's beautiful, I would say. And I don't have a lot of shades that are this color. This is like a good in-between of like a red and pink and a purple. You know what I mean? It's like a... I don't know. But I like this color a lot. So let's recap. Okay, so now that I have finished all of my makeup, I want to do a little recap of the products that we got and what I liked, what I didn't like, etc. So really quickly, I'm super excited to try this. Love Luxie brushes. They are cruelty free, they're amazing, they're beautiful. I finally got a backup of my favorite highlighting brush, so I am pumped. The Alamar Cosmetics Arena del Caribe. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. The hype is real. I've heard Jacqueline, or not Jacqueline Hill. Speaking of, did you see that she's coming out with palettes? I'm buying the Vault. I'm buying it, I'm buying it, I'm buying it, I'm buying it, I'm buying it. Anyway, so I've seen Kathleen Lights put a whole bunch of stuff, and the hype is real. She was right. This is amazing. Everything's pigmented. Everything is super blendable, super beautiful. The shimmers are easy to work with and so buttery and easy to apply. Like, even with a brush, a dry brush, everything went on like it was like perfection. So, love it. Then this eye pencil, I don't like it. No. Paddington lashes. They're kind of a eh for me. I think I like that we got lashes a lot, but do I love these lashes in particular? No, because I struggle to apply them, and that's probably my fault. And Galactic lip paint, yes, that is a win. So all in all, I absolutely love this month's box. I would like to say also that we got 6 items in this month's box, and that's a win because that is one more than we usually get. So that's awesome. I'm going to do the math super duper quick, and I'm going to tell you how much you got for your money. Adding up all the products in the box and not taking out what you pay for the box, this month's total was $136. So that's amazing. And if you take out the $21 that you spend to buy the box, you get this box and all the products in it. It has a value of $115. So you spent $21 and you got $115 worth of free product in it, and that is amazing. So that is a whole nother reason why I love BOXYCHARM. It is always exciting to get presents in the mail, and they always give amazing things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you have any suggestions for me, if you have any requests on videos you want to see, if you have any series ideas. I'd like to hear them. Basically, yeah, if you want any type of tutorial or anything like that, or you want Tyler to do like a game with me or something like that, like whatever you guys want to see, I want to do. So write down below what you want to see, and please share with your friends and your family. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell so you get notifications every single time that I upload. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to. It's up to you. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!